Good morning. Greeting you all, my dear brothers and sisters, in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. I'm Mr. Evan Nulisha and I'm at alubazzar. You can see the picture because of heavy rain and heavy storm cyclone. Last night, one of our new believer, Mr. Dino Nulisha home has been destroyed by the strong wind. And we are here in alubazzar. We are 5 houses of the Masa Christians. And we are among the non-Christians of the areas. We are very problem. There is no one in helping of the work, and no one helping in the helping us in penalty money, and we are very problem because of we are few Dimasa Christian, and only not that. Before 2 weeks ago has been first one of our new believer home, and our new church has been taken by the strong wind. Same in the same this condition. So some of the government's worker, they came and took the picture, and we asked to them to help, but they took the picture and they don't have any still today any results. So my dear brother and sister, we are here, a few Dimasa Christian. We try to help Mr. Dino Nulisha, and we are here today for repairing his home, and we are making clear all the material. We want to keep in some good place properly. So my dear brother and sister, please pray for Mr. Dino Nulisha and his father. Home has also been because of last night heavy rain. So let from this storm, let them know the glory of God will come and rise because of this home damage. So today, please, my dear brother and sister, and my dear brother in Jesus, my dear brother and sister in Jesus, please help us in your prayer, and we all need your prayer support. So please do share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.